In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily install this cargo rack on your Bluvall electric bike. It attaches to these existing mount points and you can still see the brake light from underneath. A link to this cargo rack is above and also in the description. But before we get started on the install, I hope that you like and subscribe. Now this cargo rack comes with three main pieces, two side brackets that bolt up to these existing bolts on the frame, and then a cargo plate on the back here. You only need three tools: a 4mm hex wrench to remove and install these screws, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a 10mm socket or a crescent wrench to secure the base plate. This will install like this, so let's get started on that. Before reinstalling the screws, I like to use a little bit of blue Loctite on these bolts. This way it prevents them from rattling loose and then I won't lose them. So just a dab of blue on each bolt. I'm going to take this bracket with the flange on the inside and I'm going to go ahead and reinstall the frame bolts. Now leave everything just a little bit loose so that we can align everything after we get everything assembled. I'm going to go ahead and put the other side on. All right, to install this base plate, I'm going to use these black screws that came with the cargo rack. I'm going to slide these bolts in here. What's nice with this rack, you have different bolting options. So if you want to put a cargo or a basket on the back, you can also use this to strap things down. And then you'll have these 10mm nuts that go on the back side of these bolts. I'm going to go ahead and put everything on finger tight and then get things aligned. Okay, now that I have everything on here, I'm going to go ahead and secure each side here. And I want to push this as far back as I can so that I can get that level. Go ahead and do the same for the other side. Got that secure. You can see it's just missing the seat there. And then on the back here, what I want to do is kind of center this plate. And I could spread these apart a little bit if I want, like this. And then go ahead and secure this. I'm going to need a 10mm on the back to hold that nut. Go ahead and get that secured. I'm going to do the opposite here. Spread that apart so it sits nicely. There we have it. The cargo rack is installed. It's nice and secure. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments, and thanks for watching.